In this video, we will learn to compare strings, find length of a string, convert string to upper and lowercase letters, and find one string inside another. To check whether one string is equal to another, we can use equals function. In Java, we can do this string s1 and first, and then declare and initialize a second string with. And now we can compare or print out the result by checking if s1 is equal to s2 or strings equal s1 dot equals, and then give the second string. We can test it it returned false. We can see here in the output our string equal says false because they are not equal. Now we can use two other strings s3 and put the same characters in both of them, so it will have the same string value. S4 hello. Now when we compare, it should print true because these strings are equal, they're both same. String s3 and s4 are equals s3 equals to s4. We can run it again. Now over here it says true, they are equal. Our string s3 and s4 are equal, so it returned true for this one. This way you can compare two strings in Java. And now we are going to find the length of a string. We can use the length method. It will return the numbers of characters in a string. For example, we can use this S4. We're just gonna print it out the length. The length of string S4 is, then we're gonna do S4 and call its functions length. And we will run it again. Here we can see it printed out 5. The length of this string is 5. There are 5 characters in this string. Now if we want to convert the string to uppercase, we can use its method to uppercase. We are going to use this S4 string again. Here we're going to do S4 and then dot to upper. to uppercase. String for in uppercase. Save it and run it again. We can see it converted to uppercase characters. We can also do to lowercase. I'm gonna save this string and then we're gonna convert it to lowercase. String, use a new variable, my string, and save our uppercase string into my string variable. Then I'm going to use to lowercase to convert uppercase string to lowercase. So my string in lowercase. My string to lowercase. And then run it again. Now we got output in lowercase. It converted that uppercase string to lowercase. Now we are going to find one string inside another. We can use index of method of a string. For example, we'll declare a new initialize a string. Text, we love Java programming. And if we want to find Java, string Java inside this whole string, we can do this. String substring and then find string. This is a find string, and we can do text dot the index of here we can give the string we want to find the substring, for example Java. It will return a location of it. The type is in find string location. We will print system dot print, and if the string is found, index of returns an integer that represents the position where the string begins. Else it returns -1 if string is not found. So we're gonna print location, the location is find string location. You can save it and run it again. We get the location 8 in the string. Just for the information, string start location or index of the string starts from 0, and it found on index 8 or location 8. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.